Welcome back. So this is another video on the series of finite element method. So this is a one-dimensional problem. If strain at end point is given by epsilon equals to 1 plus 2x squared, show that the tip displacement is L times 1 plus 2 over 3L squared. So this is our question today. So we know that the strain is given by the total change in length over the original length, right? So that is du dx, the change of strain along the length L. So right here, we can substitute on epsilon. We're going to put 1 plus 2x, right? So what we need to find u, which is displacement, right here. So this is just a simple ODE. So what we're going to do, I'm going to multiply both sides by dx, right? And as you can see, it now becomes an ordinary differential equation. What you have to do is to integrate. This is what the integral is going to look like, right? If you integrate du, you're going to left with du, right? Yeah? If you integrate a constant, you're going to get x, and if you integrate 2x squared, it's going to be 2x with power 3 over 3. Let's do that. So this is what we're going to do. Now it's a matter of applying limits, right? Upper bound minus lower bound. So as you can see, if we substitute 0, everything's going to 0, so only concerned with the upper limit, right? Okay, so let's do that. So this is what we're going to get, but this is not the form in which our answer is, so we need to factorize right here. If you factorize, you can see this is the required answer. We don't insist, but if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.